G'day, my name's Rod Hennefy. This is number 2 in our TRUCKRIGHT industry vehicle video series. The aim of the truck, it is meant to be a vehicle to promote the transport industry. We don't get very good press, as we've discussed, so this is a very small part of doing something positive. Now the aim of these curtains is to show the different types of trucks, is to explain to you what we do, put road safety messages out there. We start off from small to large. We're looking at local trucks, cement mixer, truck and quad dog for construction industry, and even some certain interstate tasks. We then move on to bigger trucks. We've got up the top there a truck carrying a header, what is called a pneumatic tanker, so it has bulk dry powdered product. And then here, of course, we've got a recovery vehicle and those that look after breakdowns. The messages on this trailer, what we employ, what we contribute to Australia's economy, and the aim, as we always say, is that truckies go to work with one thing in mind, and that is to get home safely. It's a message we want to reinforce to you. So if we move down onto the next trailer, we've designed these both to put something that is visual, to put it in a positive way, to put out reasonable messages, and to get those messages out in a way that people will understand. So just as we set up there, we've got here a swing lifter at the very top. Now, of course, most of our Australian imports come in to into the country in containers. That truck picks it up, goes out, drops it down at your factory, whatever, whilst you unload it. We then go onto a fuel tanker. And of course, you've got no fuel for your cars or aeroplanes or anything without fuel tankers. This here is an oversized vehicle, a float with a large load. You'll often see them on the highway with a pilot vehicle. The bigger they are, the more pilots. Then you get to police escorts, and you've got to give them room. Please take note of pilots, and if they ask you to move off the road, do so and wait until the load goes past. Coming down here, this is the original TRUCKRIGHT industry vehicle at the top. Many thanks to Ken Wilkie and Rod Pillen for supporting it from the start. Same trailers, those were the original curtains. We go on to a B-double stock crate, of course. All of your meat products, sheep, get carried on these vehicles to and from farms into the processing facilities. And here we have a B-triple, 3-trailer vehicle used in agricultural work for crops and fertilisers and things. It is the next stage perhaps in vehicles you'll see on our highways. And down here to the largest that you will see. Up the top we have a 2-trailer road train, refrigerated, carrying frozen goods, chilled goods to and from markets and supermarkets. The further away, of course, the bigger they are. This one here, the Rod Pillen truck, is a 3-trailer road train up to 53.5 metres long, operated in far western Queensland, Northern Territory, Western Australia. And this one here is a 5-trailer road train. It has another engine mounted in the chassis of the trailers, and it works off-road. You won't see that on our roads anywhere in Australia other than a mine site. All of these vehicles contribute to a way of life. Each has a separate task, but they are all part of the road transport industry, and we hope that you understand some of what they do as we go through these videos. Safe travelling till next time.